Today we will discuss the Juran Trilogy, a concept for quality improvement developed by Joseph Juran. At the end of this lesson, you're expected to understand and describe the three aspects of the Juran Trilogy, mainly quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. Joseph Juran was an American-Romanian engineer who dedicated his life to quality management. He was also highly regarded by the Japanese. The Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers invited Juran to Japan to teach them the principles of quality management as they rebuilt their economy, along with William Edwards Deming. Both of them received awards from the Japanese emperor. Juran founded the Juran Institute, which is today a leading quality management consultancy in the world. The Juran Trilogy is a quality management concept meant to reduce the cost of poor quality by planning quality into the product and process. The process includes quality planning, quality improvement, and quality control. Quality planning. In the planning stage, it is critical to define your customers and their needs. Only by understanding your customers are you able to define the requirements for your products, processes, services, systems, and then develop it. Planning activities should be done with a multidisciplinary team, meaning people with key interests and knowledge. The product and process must have features to satisfy the needs of the customer. Quality improvement. In this stage, there are four different strategies. Repair. This is becoming reactive. Fix what's broken. Refinement. This is becoming proactive. Continually improve a process that isn't broken. It is like the continuous pursuit of perfection. Renovation. Be innovative and creative to improve quality. Improve products and processes through innovation and technological advancement. Reinvention. This is the most demanding approach. It is recreating something. It is starting over with a clean slate, or from the very beginning. It may require discarding old ideas and making new ones. Quality control. This is the control phase wherein the organization must determine what to measure, what data is needed to know if the process is working. This is where goals are set for performance. It requires getting feedback by measuring actual performance and improving the performance of those that do not meet the goals. Statistical process control, or SPC, is applied using several tools like flow diagrams, fishbone diagrams, and control charts. Quality, according to Juran, is that a product meets customer needs. And quality also means all of the activities in a business is engaged to ensure that these needs are met. Juran's cycle ensures this kind of quality. His trilogy is the most important contribution to modern quality management.